CRM is only as good as the data inside it. And right now, most businesses are filling theirs with junk, duplicates, bad formatting, spam emails, fake phone numbers, and every time a bad lead gets through, your sales team wastes time, your reports become unreliable, and your conversions drop. That's real money leaking out of your pipeline. My name is Farai. I am a workflow automation architect. Instead of just connecting apps together, I build what are called data firewalls, systems that protect your CRM before the mess even gets inside. This one here is the data bouncer engine. Let me show you how it works. When a new lead comes in, the JavaScript engine checks it to make sure that the phone number is clean and it's standardized, and then the email is checked to ensure that it's a real email and not part of a spam domain. So what my workflow will do is generate some synthetic leads here, and the bouncer will kick in. You'll see instantly one lead is rejected and another is accepted. The one that is rejected is sent as a notification to your Slack, and it never touches the CRM, while the successful lead is safely placed, clean and standardized inside your CRM. No manual entries needed. Please note that this is synthetic data, all fake, no real names were used here. So this is what a clean automation looks like. Your pipeline becomes reliable, your reports become accurate, and your sales team stops wasting time on fake data. Every lead that enters your system is actually worth something. If you want a CRM that stays clean and workflows that don't break, invite me to your job or send me your error log. I build systems that stay stable no matter what happens upstream. So let's fix your data at the source.